Hey guys, welcome to Crochet Zone. Today in this video, I present to you some beautiful crochet phone cover designs model. Let's start the video. A crochet phone cover design is a handmade yarn-crafted protective patch or sleeve for a mobile phone created using crochet techniques. It is both functional to protect the phone and decorative with custom patterns, textures, and colors. These covers can range from simple and minimal to highly detailed and themed. Crochet is a needlework technique using a hook to pull loops of yarn through other loops, creating fabric. Unlike knitting, which uses two needles, crochet is done with one hook and is often faster for small projects like phone covers. Features of crochet phone covers: protection cushions the phone against scratches and light drops, keeps dust away from the screen and ports. Customization can be tailored to fit any phone model. Designs include solid colors, straps, flowers, animals, cartoon characters, or even lace and vintage patterns. Reusability and eco-friendliness: washable and reusable, sustainable alternative to plastic cases. Creating a crochet phone cover can be a fun, practical, and creative project. Here are some essential tips and ideas to help you design and crochet a beautiful and functional phone cover, whether you are a beginner or looking to upgrade your skills. Measure your phone first. Measure the width, height, and depth of your phone. Add about half inch on all sides for focal zoom and seam allowance. Make a swatch sample with your chosen stitch to calculate how many stitches you will need. Choose the right yarn. Cotton yarn is best for durability, easy cleaning, and a nice crisp finish. Avoid bulky yarn. It can make the cover too thick or heavy. Acrylic yarn is okay for fun colors and softness, but it may stretch out more over time. Closer tips: secure closures help keep your phone in place. Try buttons and lock, easy and classic. Flop with snaps or magnetic button, cheaper for advanced makers. Drawstring top for a pouch style case. Add a lining, optional but professional. Sew in a soft cotton or felt lining to prevent yarn fibers from stretching the phone. Also helps the case retain its shape. Use hand stitching or fabric glue if you don't sew much. Design ideas for inspiration: minimalist, neutral color, tight stitch, button flap, boho, art tones, tassels, and fringe on the bottom. Cute character, bear, cat, or frog face, great for gifts. Vintage lace. Shell stitch plus part button plus cream yarn. Granny skirts done together in a patch shape. Add useful features: strap or loops for wrist or crossbody carrying, pocket and a small front pocket for cards or earphones. Keyring loops attached to your bag or keys. Tools you will need: crochet hook, usually 3 mm or 5 mm, yarn of your choice, yarn needle for weaving in ends, button, zipper or snaps for closure, optional fabric for lining, sewing needle and thread. Practice first. Make a meaningful swatch or a small pass first. It will help you get comfortable with the yarn and hook. See how tight or loose your stitch tension is. Adjust your design before committing to the full size. Keep it personal. Add your details using embroidery. Use your favorite color combination. Match your cover to your outfit, season or bag. Play with color and texture. Use variegated yarn or combine multiple yarn colors to create stripes or color blocks. Mix different yarn textures like pairing smooth cotton or fuzzy buckle for an interesting tactile feel. Add small accents like crochet flowers, appliques, or buttons sew on as decoration. Use stitch markers. Keep track of rounds or stitch counts with stitch markers or small safety pins. This helps avoid mistakes, especially if you are working in the round like a pot or changing stitches. Reinforce edge and opening. Crochet a tight border around the opening to prevent stressing. Consider using a single crochet, easing or a slip stitch border for a clean frame edge. You can also add a fabric or elastic band inside the opening to keep the phone snug. Weaving ends neatly. Weaving in loose ends carefully inside the stitches improves durability and prevents interleaving. Use a tapestry needle and weave ends back through several stitches in different directions. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!